Focus. He's after him like. Get a bit closer. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Nice.
What if this colour sea in Barry? In Barry, the sea is so disgusting.
Right.
Barry? Oh yeah, Barry's dark, it's grey.
This is the net.
That's a nice shot there, when the tide's out.
Yeah. Come on, I want to get on that beach.
You want to try?
Oh,
Beach the other side.
is there? Can you get on that one?
No, I haven't been on any of them. Today we've come over on the first boat.
Yeah.
So, and the last boat used to be 4 o'clock going back.
Right.
It's now 5. The people won't come. Yeah, but a lot of it was on a boat.
Yeah. Don't count. Your feet don't move in.
Yeah.
Oh my god, yeah, that beach is stunning, isn't it? I'm basically no one on it because it's not easily
No one.
accessible.
They do boat trips come in. I don't know how close they come in.
Well, if you had a boat, you could go on the beach, couldn't you? But whether they
Small
allow
boats.
it.
I don't think the passenger, the ones that take on the trips.
Yeah, whether
I
they...
don't know. I've never been on that, but I don't think they will.
You think there'd be a boat dropping you off on the beach in the morning, take you back in there, and just pay you for the thing?
Yeah.
Ferry people back and forth.
But then they'd probably end up with a litter problem, I think.
Yeah, true they would.
Someone's gonna.
Well, you pay your £15 to, like it's almost like a landing fee, isn't it? Really?
Yeah. Well, they get paid for that, see? Per head.
Yeah, of course. Well, the boats obviously get paid, and then the island takes some money from it as well, I imagine.
Yeah, and the guy in the booth, he must have his cut.
So who owns this? Good point.
Caldey. Owned by I think it's owned by the monastery.
I was going to
The
say.
island years and years ago was given to him.
But who, what is the monastery? Is it like an international
church?
An international
Could
church?
be. I haven't got a clue. But might be interesting to research it. Unless you Google it and it'll just tell you it's owned by the council or it's owned by the church. I don't think it's Pembrokeshire Council.
No, I wouldn't have
I
thought
didn't
so.
go out there and have a look from another angle.
It's a big bird there. No, it looks like a crow from here.
Yeah.
It's a big one, isn't it?
Here
he comes.
You missed Blackie yesterday.
Yeah.
After you gone, he went ballistic, making his warning sound.
Oh,
And there was a big, huge magpie
right.
on top of the neighbour's house.
Yeah.
But he must have chicks because he was dive bombing the magpie.
Right.
And the magpie wasn't even flinching.
Yeah.
Didn't move. And yet he was going straight at him and just flying right over him.
Yeah.
He was telling him,
Go away.
get away, because they do kill. I'm sure they kill chicks for food, for they're young, But selling chicks. What you'll see next week, if it's like this, as we walk along the path, you'll see dead birds.
Right. That's where they.
Because at night there's these sheer waters birds. They go out to fish
Right.
at night, and the puffins do.
It's like a swamp. Yeah.
Try and come back in.
Yeah.
And
You can't
go
get
down.
that beach. No, I thought it was quite secluded.
Yeah.
Oh, no worries.
Which beach is that then?
That's the main one coming in.
Oh yes, it is, man. Look at that. Look, we're not that far. There's
Another boat coming over.
I thought we could. Yeah, we can't. Look.
So it's not as if they're going
People have actually.
No.
Well, you'd have to go somewhere around maybe. Perhaps there's a way around the
Yeah,
back.
it's all fenced off down there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Or is there a gate down there?
It's not like they're guiding you this way. They're trying. They
Yeah.
don't want you going
This-
down there.
We've been here. I think there's another beach.
I remember there was a sign before
Is it?
where it was stopped when you go in on the west
Oh, right.
side of it.
Yeah, not
We
probably
could
not.
walk on the beach where we came in. We haven't
Yeah, we haven't
walked
walked on that.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Yeah. Oh, 1-1. First time. Excellent.
It's Grimsby, is it?
Wetland area here is ideal for the birds and the insects. I can't see the cows.
Right, it is showing a track here actually.
Huh?
It is showing a track.
Yeah.
And if you want to try and get on that beach,
I don't think they want you on there.
I don't think they want you on there either.
Yeah.
And he had to rebuild it, and
Right.
he had a major accident, and I don't know how he still survived there. The swamp man was crazy, isn't he now?
Oh, swamp man. Yeah.
Yeah, all that.
Yeah.
Where was Ben Ford? In the swamp.
Was it a big camel or something? Or I don't know. He does end up with something.
Sometimes happily, you know, they got a bed with
Yeah.
a mattress.
Yes, that was amazing. She was fierce. She was fierce.
They pregnant, she lost it all. She got some backbone after that.
Yes.
Well, she got
And the good as well. Mrs. Elders as well. She's in the 70s with the dogs. Oh, you've got them all together. We've seen a lot. We are working away.
we are working away. Some nights we watch 2 of them.
Oh my gosh, I don't think you've seen the Canada one, how?
No, I thought it was one or two I missed.
You went to watch the
Half time, 1-1.
with Dan and Ree in the manor, and I stayed to watch it.
Yeah, yeah.
You need to watch that one, it's really good.
Okay.
I'll watch it again with you.
Sky Black.
iPlayer or something, didn't you?
Oh, you're right, fine.
Yeah, on my 5. Catch up on my 5
iPhone.
on the app, yeah. But I get that on the TV now in the caravan.
Ah,
Because you get good Wi-Fi in the caravan.
Oh, right, thank you.
So it's just like turn on the telly, really.
Yes.
you see, you know, something in July, you need to book us into
Yeah.
the manor house.
Yeah, just tell us when.
July,
Yeah, give us a date.
June out of the way before we break time.
Yeah, cool. And we've got to go to North Wales, haven't we? Well, Anne was saying, if we go for a walk this week now, what are you doing in the week?